Alright, I'm gonna replace the battery in my wife's phone. So I could just call this possibly a battery replacement and cleanup. Might be this right here. I can do this. Or maybe I can't. Good grief. There we go. And you do want to be careful because you could flex the phone and crack the screen. We don't want to do that. Ooh, nasty. Technically the idea was to clean it up, so let's do this together. I got that, I got my Windex, my towel, and a couple extra paper towels. And spray the tissue first, or the towelette towel, and clean it that way. Now, there's more to it than just this, because you need to get into the little nooks and crannies. Now we need to get into, and we're going to do this with a little ISP, isopropyl, 91%, hopefully. I'm going to clean my brush first. Alright. Some goobers in there we don't want. The reason I use alcohol is that it will dry quicker than water. Now there's a little, well, looky there. There it is. There's a little right there. Now this is going to have to be cleaned out too, so and with this I'm going to use the Windex. And on this, I'm going to have to use a little isopropyl because I can't trust Windex because it's too much liquid. Make sure it's good and dry. And I got a fan blowing on me, so that's helpful. And time for the new battery. Now, if you put a battery on a flat surface, and it doesn't spin, it's probably in pretty good shape still, other than it's getting tired. This is the same. There's a little difference, but what are you gonna do? Battery's in. That looks pretty good. It's really not dirty per se. That's the way it should be. These should open up that easy. Alright, now let me go clean this and this. I'll be right back. Okay, took in the bag and I sprayed it with Clorox Plus, one of my favorite cleaning liquids. Let it set for a minute, then hit it with a brush and clean it up. All shiny and new. Everything should be dry. So let's try to put it back together the way I took it apart. These little spudgers are always nice to have. These you can get in there a little bit better than a screwdriver, not do any damage. I think we're in good shape. Okay. Good deal. Brand new battery, 57%, needs to be charged. Okay.